What's going on? It's Kevin J. Pino. In this video, we're going to talk about 3 quick headline copywriting templates that get you clicks guaranteed. Coming up. Hey, welcome back to all my subscribers. And if you're new here, this channel likes to talk about affiliate marketing, getting an education to build an online business from the comfort of your own home or mobile device. If you're interested in learning anything about the strategies, tactics, and tools that you can use to do that, make sure you grab the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you never miss a video. So, being as though that these headlines are supposed to be quick, this video will be quick. I hope I can live up to that expectation. All right. So, the first headline template that we're going to go with is how-tos. All right. Oh, don't worry about the clicks to add text. All right. How to X. It's a very simple one. You can use this for anything. How to get in shape, how to increase sales, how to make more money, how to train a dog. Very simple. It's used in a lot of things because people are looking for answers. And if you know how to do it, you can turn it into a piece of content and give that to them. This will work on YouTube. This will work on an article that you're writing on your blog or whatever platform that you tend to be writing on. Now, you can escalate these by adding a time frame. If you add a time frame, it can be a bit more enticing rather than just how to get in shape. You can really reach someone who specifically wants it now. So, how to get in shape in 6 weeks, how to increase sales in as little as 30 days, how to make money in 1 week, or how to make more money in 1 week. How to train a dog in 1 week. And it's important that you be somewhat realistic with these. You don't want to say something like how to make $1 million in 30 minutes, even if you have no skills to do that, which we'll get into the even ifs on the next slide. But you want to be somewhat realistic with these expectations, because if someone wants to get in shape and they want to get in shape within 6 weeks and you're not giving them that, that can be an issue, okay? You want people to trust the information that you're conveying to them. The next is a time frame and addressing objections, because people have objections about things. They're going to say, I can't do it in 6 weeks. That's not enough time. This can't happen. I can't increase the sales in my business in 30 days. There's no way that's possible. They set up limitations in their mind, and you need to come up with an objection to that right out of the gate before they even start. Get rid of that no before they even start. To do that, I'll give you some examples. How to get in shape in 6 weeks, even if you don't have a gym membership. How to increase sales in as little as 30 days, even if you suck at cold calling. If you suck at cold calling, you're probably going to want to actually read that headline or see what kind of content is in that. How to make more money in 1 week, even if you only have an hour a day. That would be great if you could maximize someone's time and help them increase their income. How to train a dog in 1 week, even if you don't have experience. Naturally, people go and get dogs every day. If you know how to give them tips and how to get them to actually do it better, or maybe there's a handful of common mistakes that most people make that are new with animals, that would be something that someone would click on. All right. So that is how-tos. And now you can X these out. You can go back to the beginning and see that I wrote an X, how to X. You can use this for anything, and I just want to give you those handful of examples. If you're a content creator on YouTube, how to increase views in as little as 30 days, all right? Even if you don't have the experience. I figured I'd throw that in there. All right, ways to get what you want, all right? 5 quick and easy ways to X. 3 fast ways to get X. 7 simple ways to X. If you have a series of things that will help someone, they're likely to consume your content. So we'll give you some examples, and you can actually escalate this by avoiding pain. 5 quick and easy ways to save money without a crippling budget. People hate the B word. They need it, but they hate it. Just the way it is. 3 fast ways to get better scores without cramming the night before. How many of you went to college and wished you could have got a higher score without ruining the night before and being exhausted and doing worse than you would have done. Simple headline. 7 simple ways to lose 10 pounds without starving yourself. Most of the time, people don't want to starve themselves when they lose weight. Now, you have to give them information that will help them do that, but it is an example of a headlight that someone wants to lose weight and they don't want to starve themselves. This is a way to do it. All right. The next set of headlines, number 3, I call mistakes. Which one of these X mistakes will you make? X mistakes that all X need to avoid. You just take these templates and insert your problem and give a solution. Which one? I'll give you an example right now. All right. Which one of these holiday shopping mistakes will you make? Everybody makes mistakes. You forget things, you buy the wrong gift, you pay too much for something, you forget coupons, you miss the sale. Great headline for helping people with those kind of mistakes. 5 mistakes that all CrossFit trainers need to avoid. I'm sure you've heard there are a lot of CrossFit gyms out there and it's a great form of exercise, but a lot of people get hurt because they're doing a handful of things wrong. Great headline to help train people not to do that. Now, I want to give you one more bonus, but before I do that, if you are interested in monetizing your channel and building a business online from the comfort of your own home or mobile device, my number one recommendation to build a full-time income on the internet is down in the description below. It's a 15-day challenge to build a business in as little as 15 days. They walk you through each steps. You get on the phone. People will walk you through it. We'll teach you how to do copywriting. We'll teach you how to do headlines, how to build a sales funnel, email marketing, create content, articles, write headlines, all that for only $7. Down in the description below. Take the challenge. I am an affiliate. I will make a small commission at no additional charge, and at $7, not making me rich. All right, now the bonus. Warning. Click to add text. Forgot to delete that. Warning can be overused, but it can also grab someone's attention and be a very strong headline. You want to use it sparingly, though. Once in a blue moon, this could be a great headline for whatever it is you're selling. So, warning, you could overdo this. That's my first warning with this headline. Warning, you might be losing tons of money in tax savings. A lot of people are. If you have extra assets that aren't on a W-2, you could be losing or paying too much in taxes. Warning, your insurance may not cover this. How many insurance commercials have you actually seen this pop up on your TV? Like the General or something, that little guy in the car with the helmet on. So, if you like today's content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so you never miss a video, and smash the like if you think that this was helpful, and make sure you watch the next video coming up right now.